Hi, thank you for taking the time to hear our presentation. My name is Jose, and I am joined by my colleagues Sarah and York. We want to introduce you to a product we worked on for our IEOR 131 course called Supply Chain Simulator Pro, a product that will drastically enhance the operations of current or future data centers. But before we get into the product itself, let us look into the main concerns associated with running a data center. First on the priority list is profitability. There are expenses to account for, such as energy costs, maintenance, and so on. How do you design your data center in such a way that you maintain or improve your current profits? Second is reliability. You want a data center that gives you consistent and repeatable results, especially at peak usage. How does one server going down affect the reliability of the overall system? Lastly, we have scalability. These data centers may start off small, but may eventually need to house millions of servers. Does the data center system support growth as the company grows? Using all these concerns as a basis, we designed Supply Chain Simulator Pro, a management software that simulates the supply chain of servers for a data center. This means that our software will yield all the relevant data needed to optimize a specific data center. The most critical piece of data our software tracks are all the times along the process, such as time between production and shipping, time between receipt of shipment and installation, the downtime of a server. If a server breaks down, how long before it gets repaired or replaced? Idle time of machines/workers. Are they being underutilized? Overutilized? Some of the strengths of our product, besides the data, are it is intuitive. Its interface is easy to use and incorporates the familiar Microsoft Excel program. It is flexible. Virtually all decision variables are defined by the user. And lastly, it is customizable and scalable. Software is not limited to the size/complexity of the system. Now let me pass it on to Sarah for her to talk more about our product.
We will now turn our attention to some of the capabilities of the Supply Chain Simulator Pro. With our product, companies can identify potential areas of improvement that can help in eliminating waste and decreasing cost. For example, through simulation, bottlenecks in the process can easily be identified. The customer can then work to improve these bottleneck areas so that servers can flow more efficiently through the supply chain. Sensitivity analysis is made easy with the use of our product. With analysis of output data, companies can pinpoint the influential input parameters of their supply chain. Because of the product's customer-friendly user interface, your company is able to experiment with different values for the input parameters and test the effects it has on the performance of the supply chain. The use of our product provides the data necessary to make numerous supply chain decisions. Lastly, our product centralizes all data collection used in studying the customer supply chain. With the vast amount of information that our product generates, with a simple click of a button, our customers no longer need to collect data on various points along the supply chain. This centralization reduces our costs for our customers by eliminating or decreasing the need to collect data outside of using the product. The use of our product can generate many benefits for your company. Firstly, customers can use our product to analyze changes in their system by simply altering the input data and parameters in the Excel interface. The use of our product as a means for testing changes to the supply chain allows the customer to make informed decisions before implementing these changes in real life. If an employee has an idea on how to change the system, he or she can test the ideas using our product before actually adopting these changes, which saves our customer time, money, and effort. Based on our market research, we have discovered that there are over 50,000 large web-based companies that generate $5 million in annual revenue operating in the world today. Of these companies, only 32% utilize some form of supply chain management software. Thus, by utilizing our product to its fullest potential, you can have the tools necessary to gain a strategic advantage of 68% of your market. Finally, the data collection capabilities of the Supply Chain Simulator Pro can provide cost savings to our customers. Administrative efficiency is obtained through the data centralization capabilities of our product. We have estimated that for a large company that utilizes 20 million servers a year, costs associated with data collection are around $10 million. By using our product just as a data collection tool, your company will automatically save money. Purchase of the Supply Chain Simulator Pro includes corporate licensing to the software and a 1-year unlimited maintenance. Additionally, SJ Squared Software Solutions will send out a representative to install the simulator, as well as conduct a 2-hour tutorial session with company employees. Should your company have any questions regarding the product, a 24-hour customer service center will be there to answer all phone and email inquiries, as well as engage in live chats with company employees. Lastly, our product comes with a 1-year unlimited warranty. If at any point in time the software is not working properly, SJ Squared will immediately send a technician to uninstall the malfunctioning software and install a working version. Our product comes with a free 30-day trial period. Your company can test the product free for 30 days, and if you are not completely satisfied, simply return the software. Please contact us for pricing details. I will now turn it over to York for a live demonstration.
Hi, I'm now going to walk you through a live demonstration of our product. This is the main Excel interface where you can configure the user variables used in the system. We've grouped related input variables into sections for ease of use. Starting from the top left-hand corner, you see shipping delays, service times, logistical limits, which includes how many servers you want to collect in a warehouse before you ship them out in a batch, resources, rework probabilities, as well as breakdown times. To run the simulation, simply key in the desired values and click on the Run button. You see that the simulation runs to completion virtually immediately, and the remaining runtime is spent importing data into the Excel charts. This is important because it means you could possibly run thousands to millions of simulations within a matter of minutes. Once data has been collected, simply click through the tabs at the bottom of the page to view each of the groups that have been created. Relevant data has also been grouped into their own charts to maximize readability. Here you see waiting times, resource idle rates, breakdown times, and finally a summary page. The summary page displays a table of performance objectives calculated from the simulation data. This includes key performance indicators such as worker and machine utilization rates, as well as the average breakdown time before repair. At the bottom, a table displays the recommended hiring schedule in order to maintain production and repair times at optimal levels. At this point in time, this is a mock-up of a feature we plan to introduce in our Supply Simulation Pro Plus version, which I will now discuss. This product will be an entirely redesigned simulation suite, which allows you to run millions of simulations with a single click. The software will also calculate and display various metrics, crucial to the performance of a supply chain. Finally, it will recommend various modifications to the supply chain, such as optimal order sizes, as well as hiring schedules. And that's the end of our presentation. We thank you for your time and welcome any questions.